Hello everybody and welcome to Hey Kids Let's Draw. Thanks so much for joining us. As always, we appreciate you guys. We love the comments, we love the drawings that we see. Today we are going to draw Minnesota Vikings rookie quarterback Jaren Hall. Played college football at BYU, that's Brigham Young University in Utah. Was a round 5 pick in the 2023 draft. Finally gonna make a start, it looks like, for the Vikings, and we'll see how he does. But we like Jaren Hall. He's actually a hometown hero of ours, so we know his family personally, and it's cool to draw him. So let's do this. We're gonna get our black marker, find the center of your page up and down, center of your page across. We'll do Jaren Hall's face up here in cartoon format. So I get the pointed tip, and we will do his jaw. He's got kind of a wider jaw, so we'll go out, kind of a square jaw, to the chin, up, and angle up. Kind of a weird little jawline. A couple of sideways ovals for ears on the side there. Come up a little bit for the side of the head. And his hair, we're gonna do some squigglies out here. Pointed to the top, squigglies out here for the hair, and connect to the top there. We'll do the hairline. We'll come up and kind of round that hairline forehead out. All right, let's do a couple of sideways ovals right here by the ears. There's 1 and 2. He's got a little bit of a sleepier look, so we're gonna do an eyelid, a circle, pupil right there. Just outline it with your black marker for the pupil. Come down the edge of the eye and make a dot. The edge of the eye, make a dot. That's the width of the nose. You go up, down, up, and color these side nostrils like sideways raindrops. We'll do a couple of eyebrows. Arch, arch, up, and connect. There we go. We're gonna come down the middle of the face and make a dot for the lip. We'll go up and out, up and out. He's got big dimples, so we'll make some smile lines right there. And a small lip right here. There we go. Cool. Cheekbone, cheekbone, and a couple of dimples right there. And we'll do a neck. He's got kind of a wider neck. Down, down, and come to a V in the middle. Shoulder pad, bump out, shoulder pad, bump out. Round out the shoulder, round out the shoulder. Bring it down to the waist. Straight across. Angle up toward the shoulder pad right there. Make a towel, squiggly mark right there. Bring the waist down for his knees and up. Another knee, connect to the waist. The knee comes down. Start wide at the top here and come down to an angle and connect. Start wide and angle down to the ankle area. Let's do some shoes. We'll do a tongue of the shoe, a tongue of the shoe. 1, 2, 3 bumps for shoelaces. 1, 2, 3 bumps for shoelaces. Bring that toe out and down. Straight across to the heel and stop. Connect that heel to the ankle. Bring this heel down and stop. Flat line to the edge of the page. Round up that toe and connect to the shoelace. There we go. Let's do a football over here. Jaren Hall's getting ready to throw a touchdown pass to Justin Jefferson or Jordan Addison. Here we go. There's a football. 1, 2, 3, 4 circles for the fingers. Bump for the arm into the football. Bump for the arm into the football. Bump, bump. And then the long forearm coming down, and here's his thumb. His hand, connect. There's a finger back there. All right, we have Jaren Hall kind of blocked in. He's gonna have a beard, and we'll do the number 16 right now. Let's see what we're gonna do. Let's find a, here we go. We'll get the purple. We'll do a white jersey. So let's do a purple stripe on top over here. Come across, purple coming across, angle down and connect. Angle down and connect. So we'll color this in purple in the fast forward time. And let's do the number 16. So that's gonna look somewhat like this. We'll go straight across, angle down, over. And if you need time to do this slow, press pause, okay? Numbers can be a little challenging, especially when the Vikings have some weird pointed areas here. Get the number 6 coming down. Here we go. And a square on the inside there. Cool. What we're gonna do, we'll do the purple pants. Here we go, we'll do a couple lines down. We'll do some purple socks, some purple stripes for the shoes. Let's grab our yellow really quick. And we'll get a better yellow. Let's go right here. We'll do a yellow stripe up here. Leave a gap for white. Bring that yellow stripe down. And we'll also do a yellow stripe right by the pants right here. So yellow and then white on the edge. Okay, all right, that pretty much sums it up. So here's what we're gonna do. White jersey, purple 16, purple pants, purple socks, purple stripes, flesh color, kind of a dark brown hair. We'll do a beard as well, brown football. Jaren Hall, Minnesota Vikings, best of luck to you. Thanks for drawing with us, and subscribe. Let us know who you'd like us to draw for you next. Fast forward now.